The number of endangered sika deers living in a nature reserve in East China's Jiangxi province has seen a significant increase over the past decades, thanks to great efforts in wildlife protection. A population survey of sika deer in Jiangxi's Taohongling Nature Reserve conducted last year showed that the population of this species rose to 624 in 2021 from less than 60 in 1981. Being an endangered species under top national protection in China, the sika deer in the reserve belongs to the deer family of the South China subspecies. Taohongling Nature Reserve, covering a total area of 125 square kilometers in the city of Zhujiang, is an important protection base for wild sika deer. The nature reserve was established in 1981 as a response to a continuing decrease in the number of wild sika deers due to factors such as natural environment damage and hunting.
这是梅花鹿的脚印嘛？这个，这是梅花鹿脚印。对，这个就是成年的嘛。我们是82年6月份到Taohongling保护区来的，是第一批巡护员，就是当时梅花鹿只有60头不足。我们来的时候呢，所有的当时都是没有站，到保护区上班，在那个深山老林里头，对吧？一待就是1个星期。随着时间的推移，我们Taohongling保护区呢，到了2000年的申报国家级，这个条件就发生了变化了，这个设备有保障了。现在有车子了，有无人机了。这个地方发现了动物有什么痕迹，我们现在有红外相机了，可以放到这个地方，可以随时都可以把它拍下来。
Experts have conducted many investigations on the population of sika deer in the nature reserve since 1981, and have seen a steady rise in its numbers over the past decades.
保护这个梅花鹿啊，其实不是我们一代人就能搞好的，我们是要通过几代人努力，才能让这个梅花鹿的种群不断的壮大。让我们的子子孙孙都能看到它的。